Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Qnap Ts-216G, a reliable file management center that designed for home and small office users. With 4GB RAM, 2-bay NAS, NPU AI acceleration, 64-bit 2GHz quad-core, 2.5G Ethernet port, accelerated transcoding with hot swappable system. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Light up your life, okay. Included we have the power cord, 1 meter the length, quick installation guide, extended warranty, scan the QR code, the Ethernet cable, 1.5 meters, screws for the HDD 2.5 and 3.5 inch, 6 screws for the 2.5 and 8 for the 3.5 inch, and we have the keys. I like that. The power adapter with an output 12 volt 4 amp 48 watts power consumption. On a white and grey color at the front. Ventilation here, service portal, silicone pads, 4, definitely it will stay very secure at any surface. At the back we have the fan to cool down the unit inside, DC 12 volt, connect that here. Another 1 meter, so you have 2 meters total length. At the back we have 2 USB 2, 1 LAN 2.5G and 1 1G. Moving on at the front, we have the LED indicators for system status, LAN, USB, HDD 1 and 2. The power button, the USB 3.2 Gen 1, and the quick USB One Touch copy lets you back up the contents of your USB devices at the touch of a button. There is the button. Power it with the powerful processor ARM Cortex-A55 quad-core 2 GHz. Offers powerful security features such as firewall, VPN, security center and more to keep your data and NAS system safe. Backup USB drives and devices. Google Drive, mobile photos and videos, Windows and Mac that supports NetBack Replicator. And of course it is compatible with many security cameras. The NAS can act as a professional surveillance system for your home and office, allowing you to monitor and play back surveillance footage from your computers, browsers and mobile phones. And of course, the most important, I think it is the hot swappable on the front. So easy to remove the bay. We can see in the fan the connections for the HDD. You can install up to 39 TB of capacity by using two 22 TB hard drives to create RAID 1 to protect data with 19.3 TB of usable capacity. So let's install the first drive. Left and right we can see it has this soft silicone pads, alignment with the HDD holes, That was all, so easy. And the same goes and for the second drive. I'm just waiting for the second drive. I don't have right now. And of course you can use and the key. Rotate and it locks, so you can remove the drives. Rotate and lock and you can open. Nice, I like that. So that was the review and unboxing of this Qnap Ts-216G. Now in my next video I will dip more on software review. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews, PC builds and year recommendations. Make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.